Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girls, they're not pretty in the real life. You're pretty on the gram.
Hey guys, it's your girl Zoeshaaa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently, I came out with a what's my current favorite songs at the moment. And as requested, a lot of you asked me to do the dancehall version. So I'm coming to you guys today with a few of my favorite dancehall songs at the moment. I literally only have like a few because, you know, it's almost the end of the year and I'm going to come up with my annual favorite dancehall songs of 2018. So stay tuned and continue waiting, not even watching, waiting for that video because I know a lot of you guys look forward to that video. That's honestly one of my favorite videos to record because literally it's a whole mood. Okay, so be on the lookout for that. But this is just a little preview of some of the songs to come. What my favorite dancehall songs of 2018 is going to look like. So without further ado, let's just jump on right into it. All right. So the first song, this one is kind of recent.
Big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia, big like the mafia. Jay got the links, big like the mafia, the mother of Russia. Love me killer, them all I'm a step on them a crusher. Any young we see the target over, that's how we have a fuck. Listen to me, daddy, man, in family, if it's up, I left a hole in the neck, tell them nothing to recover. Jay got push up, these up the fan them. We not give a fuck, I give a fuck, man, them. Them and no check out, so we got people, them, and if them want to be done, they can no problem. Pull up on them, work them up, and then they do the cash. I push up, I could just see nothing, it's in the hash. So up, no matter what much, them up, and the cash. Remember, we are pre-or, can't squash. Deep sleep, shut eye, in a coffin maximum, I feel just cry, yeah. One a day, one a night, just a simple man ride up on a bike. A deep sleep, short eye, in a coffee maximum, I feel just a look.
Talk short. So that's Alkaline with Deep Sleep. That's one of his most recent songs, and I actually really like that song. Like it's you know, about killing and stuff like that. We don't really promote those things. Not really. We don't promote those things. But you know, the vibes and stuff did it. So yeah, I like the song there. Why, you know, so because me I go through my list, everything is just alphabetical orders. So maybe I should just stay in the alphabetical orders and just continue on my Alkaline, you know, ride a little bit. So the next favorite song was my app right now that is on repeat. Too much history and you make it so hard to leave you. Big old man thing, me not just why you me need ya. I
want to show your pussy so tight. No matter how much we go straight for it. So what we are go alright. That's life. You know me every time. Get to the side and we are go high. Now go in this time when you take me for full night. That's up. Remember sending you on the side. That's up. Me love you deep in my heart. That's up. I got the right kind of girl, but for bring to up with son, I'm a dad. That's up. You know what? Me not go take a run. We don't each other on a little so we get along. We could run on the streets, come party with the gang. Be a salon, if you drink, you're out with the man. You want security, then you know where to get it from. Me not go searching on your phone, I'm not that empty man. Love how you match my swag, I know you fit my brand. Love everything we left, you know I'm a wedding band.
Boy, all in on my beds and I'm a tired, so yo.
Just one stay in your all day, all night, that's like I have. See me down there, so much I'm a talk, yo.
This is my favorite express. Never shut up and you're not sick in your wiggle. Jiggle your feet, jiggle your feet, jiggle. Take me around with your pussy, me up, fuck you for your pickle. Mike Tyson, the fire. Still she all around up now, still the warrant tickle. Not know what you tickle, she don't want a little tickle. Okay, adrenaline a rush, such a trickle. Okay, so that is Alkaline with a fine. Why wouldn't I make me come to the dancehall version now, man? Why wouldn't I make me come to the dancehall version? I want to know something not tan good when it comes to dancehall. Sure. Alright, come. So next. This is literally like on repeat, so.
What you say?
I the youngest side. Johnny. Them can't stand away. Then better. Struggle on me make me better.
Them write me off like a letter,
but you still a trendsetter.
The pain and the fight and the hate and the lies for me and somebody with me love. Push me another time, never sing another rhyme. Talking all your good, I got in a blood. Ready up again, pain and heartbreak. Stop me legs on my love. All of life experiences, things that we got you for real. Do you ever stop?
Push me another time.
Alright, so yeah, that is Alkaline again with Juggernauts. Talk to me nice, good yeah. Alright, my next favorite song now when they pan repeat. Eh, na 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 na. Bop, 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 bop. Talk truth. What's that?
What you get tell when you are buying you be my careful do you can't try dinner. And anybody pour my drink and anybody buy my dinner. So hard for just your enemy, hard for just your friend. Just your friend. Me not like me love me family, but me not trust in all of them. All of them.
My soul come up, but that's how me feel. Big up and roll it, nose up as sunny kneel. All of me long time, with up from each field. Some of them aren't filled with grudge. My dogs are the realest from my ugly. Filled with love, and me meditation sharp like thugs. Envious soul.
Mad sick, ain't no good like prayer.
Talk truth. That is Popcorn with silence. So like, watch who you tell when you are buying a new bimmer. Careful who you confide in her. I know everybody know my wait. I know everybody pour my drink. It's not everybody that buys my dinner. It's so hard to trust your enemies. So hard to trust your friends. Trust your friends. I'm not gonna lie. I love my family, but I don't trust all of them. All of them. It might sound messed up, but that's how I feel. Big up Unruly Cuz up a Sunny Neil. All of my longtime brother from Titchfield. You get what I say? Alright. Alright. Big up Bobby. Anybody from Bobby, big up on yourself. Okay? If you were artists, you know, well, we have only artists, but you know, this one, yeah, him just now, like, you know, him take over the place. Yeah, him just come to Toronto the other day and the 2 shows, sold out show. Big up yourself.
Too much girl to fuck. Can't promise you, say you alone. And if I can't manage, then I figure.
Say I'm missing a call since lately. Been in the studio hard since lately.
Me just feel like beside
Too crazy. My body knocking hard. I'm here for call, girl. Missing your call since lately.
Yeah, I got too hard
Since lately.
I feel like beside too crazy.
Nobody not for God, me a for God. Hey, you want me pretty little freak, me love you for that. It's me missing a call since lately. Yes.
I love that song. If one can't tell by the tone of my voice and how I'm singing, that is Reagan King with Miss Call. Like, send me missing a call since lately. Like, me don't know how them artists here have the ability to turn such raw, dirty, nasty things into such sweet melodies for one's ears to, you know, overstand and interpretation and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? It takes a real good artist and performer to do those type of things. You know what I'm saying? So you have to big up people where the big up is due, yeah, because why? Me say it's like, it's almost like a Dexter that's like, Dexter could have told me to do the most dirtiest things in the world, but when him sing it in my ears, whoa, it's like this. Alright. Okay, since we're staying with Reagan, this is gonna be my second to last song that I have on repeat right now, but this is another one of his that I really like.
She said to box her her face cause she not innocent. Fuck her no difference cause we friends. Cock up her pussy for me girl and feel the length. We keep us so high just like the clouds them. She said me full of flow just like the cable dam. Filipina come in and my money me spend.
Pop man, I beat them like a leather belt. My fingers are freeze, cause me the weatherman. I know I can't believe I took y'all in a row for a reason. Let's start the name treason. Two pretty little features. You have them on them knees and them have my two parts and my keeper.
So that is Reagan King with Treason. Yes, Treason, Tree, Z-N. Yes, that's truth. And my favorite is, honestly, like my favorite is song right now. This artist, like, I don't know, this year, like, I just absolutely fell in love with him. Like, his song was my last song that I used. He was the artist of the last song that I used for my intro for Jamaica. I just love him, and he... Anyway, so the last and final song that is one of my favorite dancehall songs right now at the moment is...
Get yourself things.
Never, okay? Hey, man, feel like I jump right now. Smiling to the bank right now, yeah. I'm showing on the plans right now. Start up the demand, drive out there. So me have to give time for the worst boss. Every time we touch a plane, no I first class. No, city that send me not gonna reach no way. No, easily me taking up them girl jobs. The world is yours for the taking.
And they get the youth a star and they make it.
Top shots.
Man gone for the door dog. Big Tim, you the smell the bread bacon.
So that's Governor with Champ. Like, Governor, absolutely love him. Like, love him. Okay. But anyways, as I said, you guys, that's just a little preview. We can't get too much. Like, I have other songs, you know, but I just have to hold it and wait, because as I said, a few weeks time, video is dropping. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by today and watching this video. I'm super excited for like the real one, you know what I'm saying? Like, this just got me super amped. So if you are not subscribed, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Do not leave here today without leaving a comment. Hit the like button, and if you are returning, please make sure to hit the notification bell so you guys do not miss another upload from me. Thank you guys again for stopping by today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.
I want you to put that in there.